Hi, this is Chief Meteorologist Matthew Hugo at UKOWF for the Farming Forum Daily Weather Forecast. So starting with a quick look at latest satellite imagery, just to highlight a few features of interest which are relevant to today's weather and also through the course of the coming week. Now at the moment, as you can see, there is quite a significant region of cloud moving generally west to east across the United Kingdom, and this is in association with a region of persistent rain across parts of southern Scotland, northern England, Midlands, Wales and also down into southwest England. Now this is a weather system and will continue to clear eastwards into the North Sea through the remainder of Monday. Following on behind is somewhat clearer skies, and generally as Monday progresses conditions will improve from the west, but with some scattered showers. Now just bringing your attention to this region of cloud here to the west of the UK as well, and this is another weather system approaching for the middle of the week. And essentially, in summary, the weather through this coming week will generally be coming from the west. It will be quite a changeable week, and low pressure will be the dominant feature, bringing outbreaks of rain and showers west to east across the UK at times. Most of the precipitation this week will be across northern and western areas of the UK, whilst further south and east this is where the driest conditions will be. So let's take a look at some forecast weather charts just to put some detail onto the weather through the next few days, and also then just summarising the second half of the week as well. So here we are on Monday the 21st at 9 AM, and here's the weather system generally moving west to east across the United Kingdom, bringing those outbreaks of rain. And as I've suggested, that region of rain, more persistent rain, will clear away into the east and towards the North Sea by the end of the afternoon and on into the evening. So by the time we get to around about 9 PM this evening, as you can see, there's the wet weather clearing away into the North Sea, and an improvement in conditions follows behind, with clearer conditions this afternoon into the evening with some bright or sunny spells. But clearly further west across Ireland, Wales and southwest England into this evening and then the first part of tonight, a scattering of showers will follow. And that then generally leads to quite a wet start across more central and southern areas of England on Tuesday as low pressure dominates the weather. As you can see, some rain and showers generally moving south and southeastwards across England and Wales again on Tuesday morning, and some persistent rain may also be affecting more eastern areas of Scotland as the weather model highlights here. But otherwise across parts of southern Scotland, northern England, western Scotland and Ireland, apart from a few showers, it should be a reasonable start to Tuesday. Now as Tuesday progresses, it is essentially a mixture of sunshine and showers. Those persistent outbreaks of rain clear away to the southeast of the UK, and then essentially, again, many areas experience a mixture of sunshine and showers. In between, there will be some lengthy, drier and brighter conditions, particularly across parts of northern England, western Scotland and Ireland. But again, some of these showers, particularly across parts of Wales, the Midlands and southern England, could be locally heavy, with perhaps even a rumble of thunder. And some locally heavy showers or persistent rain may also affect parts of eastern Scotland and northeast England during the course of Tuesday afternoon. Generally though, the showers die away by the end of Tuesday, and then this leads to a relatively calm and quiet night on Tuesday night and through into Wednesday morning, with quite a chilly start to Wednesday at the moment. So we start Wednesday predominantly dry with brighter sunny spells, and again it will be chilly with perhaps some rural mist and fog as well. But as Wednesday then progresses, the next weather system moves into the north and west, and this is evident here. As you can see, this is a weather system coming from the west and the northwest, bringing outbreaks of rain across parts of Scotland and Ireland as Wednesday progresses. But clearly further south and east ahead of this next weather system across the majority of England and Wales, Wednesday is not looking a bad day at all, with a lot of fine and dry weather with some bright or sunny spells, albeit cloud will increase across parts of northern England and Wales, with some patchy rain and precipitation moving in here by the end of the afternoon. And just to summarise the end of the week at the moment, just continue to progress through the sequence, it would seem that at the present time at the end of the week we'll see a bright and breezy spell of weather with a mixture of sunshine and showers both on Thursday and into Friday, but with perhaps England and Wales becoming predominantly dry by the time we get to Friday. So let's take a quick look at the temperatures, and I've just selected Wednesday here, Wednesday afternoon, which is generally representative of the temperatures overall through the course of the coming week. So generally, temperatures this week across the UK, particularly across more southern and southeastern areas of England, temperatures may reach 17 or 18 degrees, which is generally around average for the time of year, which clearly as well in any sunshine, that will feel pleasantly warm. However, as you can see, further north and west, generally given more unsettled conditions than Scotland, northern England, parts of Wales and Ireland generally seeing more depressed temperatures, and temperatures here through this week generally ranging between around about 11 and 15 degrees. And clearly in any wet weather as well, it will be quite a cool feeling week as well. And finally, let's take a look at the expected wind speeds and directions through the next few days. So through the course of Monday, winds are particularly light across Scotland, generally only around about 5 to 10 miles an hour, and winds today generally from a west or west-southwesterly direction, but then becoming more northwesterly as we move into the overnight period. With low pressure generally dominant over the UK on Tuesday, this still leads to relatively light winds, with generally, particularly inland, wind speeds only ranging between around about 10 and 20 miles an hour, and wind directions on Tuesday generally coming from the west or northwest. As we progress into Wednesday, again winds generally light, particularly across England and Wales, so by the time we get to around about midday on Wednesday, as you can see, wind speeds generally only around about 10 to 15 miles an hour and from a southwesterly direction. By the time we get to Thursday, winds may then well increase to become a little bit more substantial across more northern and western areas of the UK, so by the time we get to around midday on Thursday the 24th, particularly across Scotland, Northern England and Ireland, wind speeds potentially around about 15 to 25 miles an hour, with some wind gusts in excess of 30 to 35 miles an hour, and wind directions from the west or southwest. Winds still generally remaining quite light though across many central and southern areas of England and Wales. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy the rest of your day.